Subscribe to Cat with Sahil Sharma channel and press the bell icon to never miss the video. Hello, welcome to Cat with Sahil Sharma. In today's video we will see two commands, that is draft body and thread. So for thread command I have created a cylinder where I will create a thread, and to use this command just click on the thread command. You have two options, that is symbolic and detailed. What is symbolic is that it will not produce the grooves in the cylinder, but it will symbolically shows that there is a thread in the drawing. But if you want to see the thread, that is the detailed thread, you can use the detail option of major and minor diameters will automatically selected according to the thread, and you can control the pitch and the angle, and obviously right and the left hand of that what you want, that is right hand or left hand. So there is option that is select a cylindrical face. So I will select this cylindrical face and click OK to apply. I can change this if I want to change the parameters. For example, if I want to increase the pitch, so let's say if I want 3 mm pitch, I can increase this pitch and click OK. It will take some time because the groups here the pitch is more, that's why it is pretty fast in representing all this thread. So this is a detailed thread that you can form easily in an annex, and this is the simple command. You can change the parameter if you want by changing by opening this thread command, and you can change the parameters if you want it. Feature dialog. So this is the thread command. So let's move to the draft body. So what I have done is I have created an object, that is extrude object, and I have created a datum plane, and datum plane is a bisector, so it will bisect the body. And I will select the draft body command here. Here I have two options, that is edge and face. So if you read this, it say that in edge command I have to select the two edges, that is this and this, and it will draft the body by taking the reference of this plane, that is the parting object. And if I select the face, what it will do is it will drop the face that I have selected. For example, this face, the reference will be this parting object. So I have selected the edge command first, and I will select this as a parting object. It will automatically select the vector, and I just have to select the edge. So now one gets selected, and this is the second edge. So you can see that if I move this angle command, I can change the angle of this draft. And if I select this edge, now it's showing that cannot draft because I have selected the wrong edge. I have to select this edge. So let's refresh it. Let's select the edge, the first one and the second one. Okay, wait, let's select the edge, the first one, this second one, change to first one. You can see that you can also form the structure like this, that is the half draft of a body. If you want you can do it. So this is the edge part of the draft body. If I select the face part, so the first step is same, that is you have to select the parting object. The second step is to select the face, and it will automatically draft that face. You have to do nothing extra. So this is the simple command of draft body and thread in this video. Hope you understand these commands. If you do, please like this video and comment down below if you have any questions. Share this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video.